The General Database, or GDB, is the pulsating heart of the DTS. Within the GDB, you'll store the names and details of all the companies and people involved with your business: customers, suppliers, agents, airlines, lead source, collaborators, and more. By accessing the GDB, you'll get a list and some search filters. The list will show the 100 most recently accessed names. From this screen, you can search a new contact, create a new contact, export data to a .csv file to open in Excel, or integrate them in another database. Let's make some search examples. 1. I want to check all the agents. I'll just need to select Agent Mover in the drop-down menu and click Search. All the agents will show up. 2. I want to search for a customer. I'll just write the last name in the record name field, and there we'll show the customer that we're looking for. Let's see how it has made a detailed data sheet. We click on the customer that we've searched for. The data sheet allows the complete management of names database. Important information can be specified, such as addresses, telephone, email, payment methods, VAT number, tax number, and more. In this specific case, we're in the Shipper tab, and we have 4 different addresses available: origin, destination, customs and accounting, mailing. We recommend that you fill out in detail the origin and destination tabs. In a quotation or operational file, if we enter in the field Sender, the GDB code of the customer, the data of these 2 sub-tabs will automatically fill in the form's origin and destination within the file. Now, let's open, for example, an agent data sheet. As you can see, the 4 addresses available change. Instead of destination, you'll find warehouse. At the top of the detailed tabs, you'll find a menu with important features. You can view all the files containing the name, access events, and attachments related to it, duplicate or delete the data sheet, and access documents relating to the GDB section. In summary then, in the General Database, you'll enter and you'll find all the important names for your business. We advise you to carefully fill in the subtabs. Remember that, as in the sales and operational files, you'll interact with the GDB. All the best with your work. See you in the next video.